Hey guys, welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. Today, we're going to be solving airflow issues. We're also going to find this faulty blower motor and replace it with a new one. So in this truck, when we turn the AC on, we turn the fan to full blast. Sometimes the fan doesn't come on at all. And if we adjust to different settings on here, sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't. As we can see right now, the fan did come on, but we can hear some pretty bad rattling coming from it as well. So let's get in here and figure out whether it's the blower motor or the blower motor resistor. Let's go ahead and open the glove box to gain access to the blower motor and blower motor resistor. Inside the glove box, there's this little tab right here. Push up on that tab and the glove box will slide open. This component here is the blower motor resistor. It's held in with two screws, one top and one bottom, and it has this wiring harness that goes to the blower motor. You can take this connector off here and you can check the voltage at the two terminals inside of there. So if you turn the fan to high, you should have 12 volts across those terminals. So with the key in the on position and the fan placed on high, you should have 12 volts across these terminals. There we see we have 12.2 volts DC. So we're getting the correct voltage out of our blower motor resistor. This leads us to the conclusion of a faulty blower motor. So we can reconnect this plug and close the glove box. To access the blower motor, we need to remove this insulated shield. It is held in with four 7mm bolts. Use a deep socket 7mm socket to remove these bolts. We have one here under the blower motor. There's another one over here. There's one there and one way down on the other end. Now I have removed these first three bolts, and the one over on the driver's side I'm actually going to leave in place because I can simply pull this down and scoot it out of the way. Now we can see the location of the blower motor. Unplug the electrical connector here, and then you will pull down on this tab while also rotating the fan clockwise. And it will come out just like that. Now I would like to show you what this fan is doing when it's turned on. So that's the old blower motor. Let's grab our new one. Here's our new blower motor. Locate this tab on the housing and make sure it's facing the same direction as the old one. Simply set this in and then rotate it towards the driver's side. And once this tab has cleared this little ramp, it locks into place. My tab kind of broke off a little bit, but that's where it's supposed to be at. One other thing you can do while you're at this point is you can test the voltage at this plug to make sure that this pigtail isn't faulty. Go ahead and plug this back in. And that's supposed to be mounted like that. And now we can remount this with the three screws that we took out. Now we can test the fan. So now our fan works on every single setting and our AC is blowing nice and cold. I hope this video was useful to you. Please give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and check back in for more How to Fix It videos. And as always, dude, we can fix it.